guys, what is up? Welcome back. My name is Marrol. If you are new here, hello. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. Cheers. It's currently Friday. I'm having a little brewski. What time is it? Oh, it's 5:12. I've only had like one sip, so. I never film in the evening. I always film in the daytime, so this is new for me. Let's get on into it. I'm definitely using my Raw Beauty Christie palette again because it's just amazing and I want to use it forever. So we are. We're gonna use it forever. I have a lot of new products to try out. It just is what it is, okay? Thanks for understanding. I've already got my brows on because I do them first now, ever since I've started using a brow pen. You can check out my last video to see what I've used. I guess I can also just tell you. I use the Anastasia brow pen, and then I use the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow in light. And the brow pen is in taupe, by the way. I'm doing a lot of neutrals recently, so I feel like I want to use some color. Let's get into it then. Okay, maybe I'll just do my face first. I'm gonna do my face first. Alright, I'm taking my Ren moisturizer. And I'll take a bit of this Hourglass primer. Gonna mix those together and mixing these together and rubbing it onto my face. I got my nails done today. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I miss Tess though. We were nail buddies. I mean, we were everything buddies, but we would always get our nails done together every 2 weeks, and now she's gone. She moved to Prince George, and I'm sad. Now I'm gonna take some of my Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now I'm going in with my Kaja Catnap Under Eye Brightener. And blending it in with my makeup eraser sponge. Next I'm taking a bit of my It Cosmetics by Under Eye. Just like the smallest amount. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow concealer in the shade Vanilla. Bronzer up next, and then we'll do foundation afterwards. But I picked up the Tarte, what is this even called? The Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer. Made in Italy, nice. In this shade Seychelles? However the fuck you say it. Probably won't focus because it's such a light font. Anyways, Seychelles, I think is how you say. And I'm taking my e.l.f. Airbrush stippling brush. And we're gonna bronze up our shit. I have not used this yet, so I have no idea what it looks like. That is quite nice. I really like this a lot. It's quite pigmented. But we are also going over still with foundation, so it'll tone it down a bit. Although I don't go directly over the bronzer with foundation, I will take a little bit of product over it, but not to just fully cover it. Now we'll go over with our foundation. I'm going to take my Rare Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 170W. Give her a good shake. We'll go in with that much for now and see if we need to add any more in a bit. I love this foundation. Really nice. I just love the way it makes the skin look. I'm going to go back in now with a bit more bronzer. We're taking the same one, the Tarte Seychelles bronzer. even though it's winter, dude, I still want to look glowy and tanned as fuck. Like, I never ever want to look matte, dude. That's like not it for me. Okay, I'm loving the way the skin is looking so far. I think now we'll do blush because I have a new highlighter to try out. So I'm going to take my little e.l.f. blush brush and I'm going to go in with this Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face palette. And I really liked this blush combo that I did the other day. This one right here, this one is called Hush Blush. Powder blush is on. We're still doing our Patrick. Whoa, it looks very pink over there. It's okay, we can dull it down a bit with the with our beauty sponge. Why not just do that now? Just kind of tap over where you want it a little bit less harsh. Okay, now we're gonna go in and do our cream blush. We are taking Tower 28 Magic Hour. Taking it on this Sephora blush brush. Just a tiny bit. I don't need too much. Just wanna kind of bring some dew back into it. Yeah, just like that. I think I'm gonna set my under eyes now. We're taking the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime under eye powder. I liked it when I used it on a brush last time, so I'm also taking it on a brush today. Now it's time for some highlight. So I picked up this Makeup by Mario highlight, and this is called Master Secret Glow highlighter and expensive. I'm gonna use that today. I have not used this yet. It's like, I think it's a clear, but this is what the little packaging looks like. Pretty sure it's just like a clear balm type of situation. So that's what it looks like on my finger, just like shiny. It's pretty sticky, so I'm like, on a windy ass day, would my hair get stuck up to my face? I was trying to see if it like removed all the makeup I had already just applied, but it didn't really remove any of it. It's still there. Interesting. We'll let it settle there for a bit and see if it like continues to just stay super tacky or if it like settles a bit. I don't know, bro. We're gonna have to wait and see about that. I mean, it definitely takes some of the other products off, but it doesn't look that way on my skin. There's product on my finger. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I used this finger here, and you can, I don't know if you can really see it, but definitely takes off some stuff, so we'll just have to see. It looks really pretty though. I like that. And you can also put this on your lid as well, your eyelid. Well, the face is done, so let's move on to the eyes. We are gonna go in with our Raw Beauty Kristi palette, and I'm gonna use the neutral side again. I'm gonna go in with my Whole Heart, which is the light tone skin shadow. Light skin tone shadow. Jesus Christ. And we're just gonna put that all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with Camelot, which is like the nice mustard shadow. And we're gonna run that right through the crease. Wow, there's so much kickback in this palette. Color is so pretty. I just want to put this all over my whole fucking lid. Now, I think I'm going to go in with Copper Boxes, which is this little bit of a lighter brown, and just focus this on the outer V. Just a little bit to add some depth, and then I'm going to go back in with this previous brush with Camelot and just blend that out a bit. I just want like a little bit more depth, but I do want to keep the mustardy tone like the focal point. Well, for now. I just wanted to add a bit of depth into the outer. These shadows blend just so fucking nice, dude. Okay, I'm gonna catch the other eye up to speed, and then we'll finish off this eye look. Okay. Other eye is caught up. I'm just going back in with my Whole Heart, which is like the light skin tone shadow, and just kind of blending it into the top of the lid here, just to soften. So we are going to go in with Cafe Disco, which is this really pretty shimmer in the middle. So this is on the bright side, and this one is more of like a pinky shimmer, and then the other side is more of like a golden shimmer. So we're going to go in with the pink one, like the pink undertone one. There's almost like a blue shift to it. So fucking pretty, dude. Definitely the shimmers have some fallout. Now we're going to take Hurtful, which is this beautiful like navy blue shade, and we're going to put that on the bottom waterline. I'm really tapping this off because there's quite a bit of kickback and I just don't want like blue cheeks right now. There's lots of fallout on this one. You all saw that. That's how I get fallout off. I just like blow up on my face. And it works. It's pretty much gone. Yeah, I mean, the colors are beautiful. The shadows blend out so lovely. I don't know how I feel about this look though. Whatever. Too late now. Still pretty sticky, that highlight, but it definitely is not as sticky as I was expecting it to be. Alright, I think we're gonna just pop on some lashes and call it a night. I'm definitely using my Raw Beauty Christie times Pure lashes in the style Lovely because they're just fucking beautiful. I'm gonna put my lashes on. I will be right back. Alright, lashes are on. Lashes pull a look together. I don't love the look, but I like it better with the lashes. They literally all look like the same color, but, well, some of them. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. This is a Ben Nye lip pencil in Nutmeg. Now I'm gonna take this what the fuck is this? This is a lip gloss, Marrol. I'm taking my Tower 28 lip gloss in the shade Almond. Wow, I love that lip combo. That is such a beautiful gloss. Time to set our face. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really like this setting spray. It's very fragranced, but it does a good job. So if you don't mind fragrance, you'll probably love this. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. This is the final look. I am absolutely obsessed with the Raw Beauty Christie palette. I can't wait to continue using it and, you know, bang out some fucking looks, bruh. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a little like. Share it around if you so please. And here's my Instagram if you want to check me out there. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, cheers!